Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Can Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the Coleman Light 2515 RL. It's a couple's floor plan. They made some nice little tweaks for 2021, some color differences and things like that. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So this is an ultralight brand. Obviously the name's Coleman Light, so it does have a fully caged aluminum frame with the fiberglass exterior. In the Light series, they do the front cap with the LED lighting, and then of course, like I said, the fiberglass construction. It's one of the few ultralights that'll have a 60-gallon freshwater tank. You don't see a lot like that. Normally they're in the 40s, so it does have that full-size tank, which is nice. All the Colemans come equipped with a power package, so you'll notice a power tongue jack up at the front, power stabilizer jacks on all four corners, and then of course the power awning up at the top. Nice big pass-through storage on this one. And you can see that's all nicely LED lit. There's even a little solar connector there on the side if you want to plug in a portable panel. Solid stance steps to get into the unit. Outside speakers, of course it's all Bluetooth. That stuff's been standard for a couple of years. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So Coleman is under the umbrella of Dutchman manufacturing company, which is of course owned by Thor. So when you're with a Thor product, you are backed by that 3-year structural warranty, which is really nice to have. You got that peace of mind. Things like your laminated walls, your floor joists, your roof trusses, all that stuff's covered for a full 3 years. So now that we're inside, you can have a look at the nice kind of new interiors for this here. You got the black pleated blinds, pleather furniture. This even flips down to an armrest, and it's directly across from the TV in this floor plan, which is kind of nice. And then you got your big slide with your booth dinette and your pantry. We did just bring this unit in from outside, so I did turn on the fireplace, but all Coleman lights come with the fireplace. That's not in the smaller LX series, just in the regular Coleman lights. TVs are standard as well, and that's your little Bluetooth entertainment deck underneath. Kitchen, all Coleman's got the 7 cubic foot fridge, so it does have a little bit of extra space compared to the 6 that you see in a lot of the competition. You got the Furion oven, pots and pans drawer, stainless steel sink, seamless countertops, okay, and then lots of storage around the perimeter of the trailer. You got 12-volt USB ports there as well for charging your devices. And we'll pan around and have a look at the washroom. Before we get into the washroom, we do have this extra little pantry space right here by the door as well. Washroom. So it is like an ensuite style, so it is like a 3-piece. You do have, you know, separate shower, all that, of course. Radius shower, it's got the skylight above, fan above the toilet, and there is a separate door, a sliding door that leads into your bedroom. Master bedroom, you got the full-size queen bed, nightstands on either side with a drawer, and USB ports for charging your devices. Window on either side. Otherwise, that about does it for the Coleman 2515. I'm Mike from Can Trailer, and I'll catch you next time.